How to turn off Telegram sensitive content on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. Now, go to the telegram.org website. After that, you will be taken to Telegram. Here, tap on the three dots icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu that slides out, tap on the Settings option to access your account and app preferences. On the Settings page, scroll down to find and select Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security menu, scroll down to the Sensitive Content section and tap on the checkbox next to the Disable Filtering option. This action will turn off the filtering of media that may contain sensitive content. Following these steps, you can easily turn off the sensitive content filter on Telegram. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.